Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 side hustles that can help you make $250 a day. These are real ways to earn money from home, using skills you can learn and improve quickly. Let's get into it. First up, YouTube content creation. If you've been on the internet for any amount of time, you know YouTube is one of the biggest platforms for content creators. And it's not just about being a big-time influencer anymore. Everyday people are making serious money on YouTube by creating niche content that serves a specific audience. Here's how you can get started. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's personal finance, fitness, tech reviews, gaming, or even lifestyle content. Monetize your channel through ads, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own digital products. It doesn't take millions of subscribers to start making money. You can start earning with just a few hundred dedicated followers. Once you start uploading videos consistently, YouTube will begin paying you through their AdSense program. And on top of that, affiliate links or sponsored content can boost your income. How do you make $250 a day? If you're just starting, it might take some time to build momentum. But the great thing about YouTube is that the content works for you even after it's uploaded. Videos you create today can make money weeks or even months down the line, as long as they're still getting views. Pro tip: focus on evergreen content, videos that stay relevant long-term, so you can continue earning passive income from old uploads while you work on new ones. Next, we've got video editing. YouTube content creators are always looking for good video editors to help them take their raw footage and turn it into polished content. This is an awesome side hustle because it doesn't require you to be the one in front of the camera, but you're still very much involved in the content creation process. Here's how it works. You don't need to be a professional to get started, but familiarity with editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free tools like DaVinci Resolve can be really helpful. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or by directly reaching out to YouTubers you admire and offering your services. Video editors usually charge anywhere from $25 to $100 plus per video, depending on the length and complexity of the edits. If you're editing 3 to 5 videos a day, hitting $250 is totally doable. Why it's great? Repeat. Clients are common in this field. If you impress a YouTuber with your work, they'll often come back for more edits, which means steady income. Plus, if you can get into a specialized niche, like editing for beauty channels, tech channels, or even tutorial-based content, you'll stand out and be able to charge higher rates. Now, let's talk about selling digital products. This is a great hustle if you want to make passive income. Once you've created a product, you can sell it endlessly with little extra effort. And that's why this hustle can make you $250 a day or more if done right. Here's how to get started. Some of the best digital products to sell include ebooks, printable planners, courses, design templates, or even stock photography. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad are great places to start selling. These platforms handle payment processing and can help you reach customers. Let's say you create a digital planner and price it at $10. If you sell 20 planners a day, that's $200. Add another product like a digital budgeting spreadsheet at $10, and boom, you've hit $250 easily. Here's the beauty of it. Once you've designed a product, it doesn't require much time to maintain. You can make money while you sleep as people purchase your products online. It's low risk too. Since you don't have to keep inventory or ship physical products, you're maximizing profits with minimal effort. So, there you have it. 3 side hustles that can easily help you make $250 a day. YouTube content creation, video editing, and selling digital products. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they're solid, scalable ways to make money online. Just remember, consistency is key. If you put in the work now, you'll start seeing results soon. And as always, take action today so you're not in the same spot tomorrow. Let me know which of these side hustles you're most excited to try. Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling.